If I could build a bridge from my heart to yours, to send living faith from me to you, to send my love from my heart to yours, to set forth the wheels of peace in motion for an endless space of time. But I can yet send my prayers from my heart to yours, for that bridge can never be broken. For the listener, it is never late, never short on compassion. He forever sees your tears and forever hears your crying, even in the latest hour. Be ever conscious of your guardian angel with wings to enfold you and with feathers to hide you in your needed solitude. Beneath those wings of love, abide. Lean on one who is able to sustain you. This has been Mona Songbird.